Our Headlight Restoration System is designed and constructed with the high standard of quality our users have come to expect. The system will eliminate the yellow and cloudy discoloration from polycarbonate headlights using our proprietary formulation. The Infinity coating is long-lasting, water-based, self-leveling, easy to apply, and you will be shocked by the tremendous results you get every time you use it.
Our system includes everything needed to clean, sand, polish, and protect over 60 headlights. Headlight restoration is a highly profitable service that saves your customers hundreds of dollars. Your average supply cost per job is about $6, with $80 being the national average per headlight restoration. The headlight restoration process is simple and quick to complete, and it provides a like-new finish that will significantly enhance the vehicle's value, safety, and appearance. Our Infinity coating is the ultimate coating because it's self-leveling, easy to apply with a simple wipe-on application, and it has quick dry properties.
So you get great results the first time, every time. High returns and low overhead. So ask yourself, why not Headlight Restoration?